As a business owner, are you consciously and actively designing your business working environment or your business culture? Or is your business culture taking shape on its own in a chaotic and a haywire manner? Now, actively taking part and designing your business culture for your business eliminates most of the day-to-day challenges that you face in your business. And if you want to know how to consciously design and build your business work culture, then this video is for you, where I'll decode on how you can optimize your business by creating a conscious business culture. Hi, I'm Omkar Tilve, a business systemization expert where I help business owners reduce the owner dependency on their operations by helping them set up systems and optimize them so that they can focus on their high priority tasks such as marketing and other business growth activities. And if you stay till the end of the video, I have planned few amazing things where you can start your business optimization journey today. So stay tuned for that. And let's now get into how to design or create a conscious business culture. In my learning journey, I came across various types of business culture used in different business models. But there was a turning point in my life which helped me to create this concept called conscious business culture. And that turning point was few years ago, I was reading this book called Thou Shalt Prosper by Rabbi Daniel Lepin. And I think in that ninth or tenth chapter of that book, I came across this quote which said that life is business and business is life. Learn one and you shall learn the other automatically. And this one quote or this, two sentences changed my perception that day about business. What Daniel Lepin is trying to say here is that life and business, like handling your life and handling your business, is not very different from each other. You can use your life values and lessons in your business, and also you can use your business values and lessons in your life. And whenever you do this, you start to prosper. And that's why he says that you don't need to learn both separately. Learn one and you shall learn the other automatically. Like, learn what are the values and how to go about life, and this will automatically help you learn how to go about business. Or you start learning about business and automatically it will help you to learn about life. So this is the basic meaning of this quote. And now we'll get into the concept of today's topic, where we'll first talk about what is the definition of a business culture. The generalized meaning of a business culture is the way people work together within a business. And this is not only pertaining to the business owner or the management staff of the business, but it applies to every employee or every person working within that business, from the top line to the bottom line. Now, to be more specific, your business culture also refers to the shared values, beliefs, purpose, attitude, intentions, and behaviors of all the people working in your business, which greatly determines the personality or character of the business. And this is the personality or the character in how your business is perceived by others. It is the way, like, how you perceive your business. It is the personality on how your employees perceive your business as, and how your customers perceive your business as. And lastly, your business culture also greatly influences the communication styles within the working environment, let it be between your boss employee relation, or employee employee relations, or employee client relations. Also, it affects the work ethics of the people working inside your business. It also affects and influences the employee customer relationships. It also changes the way you handle the day to day challenges of your business. It also influences the internal working environment, and also it influences the decision making process. So, this is a generalized and basic concept of what is a business culture. And now we'll get into the topic of today, which is what is a conscious business culture. And this concept I have not taken down from some book or some article or from the internet. It is through my own experience and my journey of getting into learning the spiritual aspect of life and other business aspects, and it has been generated or created through that. So a conscious business culture is where people are more aware and mindful of their work. People are more observant of the reality of things. They are not driven by egoic reactions and conditioned mind patterns. People inside your business are more purpose driven, and they do not collapse in stressful situations, and also greatly they operate out of presence or presence of mind. So these are the characteristics of a conscious business culture, which I found through my own experience of implementing this in our family business. Now, before we go into how to create a conscious business culture, first we'll see what are the challenges faced due to the absence of a conscious business culture. Now, not having and designing a conscious business culture affects your front end employee and customer relationships. Now, I'll tell you what is a front end employee. A front end employee is any person in your business who is in direct contact or in communication with your customer. And as a business owner, you not be in contact with each and every of your customers, but there'll be these people who are in contact with them, and these are called your front end employees. Now in my day to day life, I come across these incidences when I go to some business and interact or transact with them. For example, if I go to a restaurant and when I interact with a waiter and I find that he's a very rude person, I don't want to do or eat there or do any transactions with that business. Similarly, this will be applicable to different business models where you find the front end employees very rude and they are not aligned with what the business is based on. And this happens because of the bad and unconscious employee behaviors, which degrades the brand image. Here, I'm focusing on the word unconscious because unconscious doesn't mean that you have fainted or something, but basically, unconscious means in spiritual aspects or in terms of psychological aspect, it means operating out of conditioned reactive mind patterns which clouds the reality of the solution. Now the customer might have a problem, a very genuine problem, that he's talking to your front end employee, but your front end employee doesn't have the capability or the skill to understand the reality of the situation and use the situation to help the customer, but rather he starts getting angry on your customer and starts to ignore your customer, and this disrupt your brand image. So the second challenge that you will face is that your business working environment turns panicky when stressful situation arises. Now if you come across a situation where the customer is shouting at you and or your employee, and because of some time commitment were not met or some delivery was gone wrong, then at this moment, if your whole business culture doesn't know how to handle this situation in a very peaceful and calm manner, then this is a problem of not having a conscious business culture. Next, if you don't have a conscious business culture, your customers can sense that you're transactional in nature. Like if your core essence of doing a business is only to gain money from other people by giving them your products, then subconsciously people take up that or feel that energy, and they disconnect with you because they only see you as a transactional person. Next, when you don't have a conscious business culture, the boss employee approach overpowers the leader follower approach. Now, what are these two? Now, boss employee approach is a mindset. Like if you're a business owner who thinks that I am the boss, you're the employee, I pay you money and you do the work for me. And if you don't do it correctly, then you shout at them and you treat them as slaves. Now, this is a boss employee approach where the employee or your followers follow you by force. They don't follow you by choice or by willingness to follow you. But in terms of leader follower approach, you gain the characteristics of a leader where you lead people to do their task, and these people are greatly and in a good manner influenced by you, and they follow you willingly and they come to work willingly because of your way or your ethics of doing the business. And lastly, your business becomes a major source of constant stress in your life, and I don't need to explain this if any differently. If you're having constant stress in your life due to your business, then this is due to the absence of a conscious business culture. Next, now that we have understood what is the concept and what are the challenges that are facing due to the absence of conscious business culture, now we'll see how to create a conscious business culture. So, first of all, creating a conscious business culture or designing a conscious business culture starts from the leader, which is the business owner. And this happens only when you, as a business owner, operate out of presence or presence of mind, which means you're mindful of what are the things going on. You're detached from your unconditioned mind patterns and egoic reactions and desire. You're more observant of the reality of the things, and you're more purpose driven, which drives the decisions of your business. Now, in a conscious business culture, the core essence of doing the business is not money, fame, competition, success, or being the best. If you're operating out of this mindset that, I'm doing this business to gain a lot of money, a lot of fame, I want, to be a very famous person as a business owner, and I want to move ahead of all of my competitions, become very successful, and I want to be the best in the market. If you only have these intentions, then it is a means to an end. But rather, in a conscious business culture, your core essence or your core intention should be adding value in your customer's life by solving their problem, building meaningful connections and relationships with your customers, and by doing this too, let the money be the byproduct. And when you start accepting this mindset, then all the things that we have listed down here will start following you on its own. Now, adapting to this mindset also shifts your core essence, and this shift in your core essence affects the way you handle your customers, the way you handle your employees, the way you communicate with your employees and your customers. It also changes your psychology of money, the way you navigate through stressful situation, the way you lead people, your work ethics, and also it greatly influences your personality. And not only this, it further propagates and fuses with your bottom line followers. Means all of these changes propagates and fuses with your bottom line followers. Your each and every business activity and task, the way you do your business, it greatly affects the internal and external business environment. It also greatly changes the customer's perception about you and your business, and where they start connecting with you, where they are more influenced by you and your products and your business. And also it improves the way people work together within your business, which is actually the definition of a business culture. And due to all this, a new and more conscious business culture emerges, and you can feel it as I'm feeling now after setting up such culture in our family business. And start doing this, and slowly you will start to realize and see it for yourself. So this is the way how you can design a conscious business culture. Now, all of my products of my business and my teachings are operating out of this conscious business culture. And if you want to start your business optimization journey, I have three things for you. First of all, every week I do a free live business optimization masterclass where I share strategies and tactics on how you can optimize your business. And it is absolutely free. Uh, to register for this, you can go to omkartilve.com/connect. Type this in your browser and you will reach to that page. The next bonus that I have is that if you want to start your business optimization journey right away, then become a VIP member of the Optimized Lifestyle Hub, which is my community. And you can join by going to omkartilve.com/VIP, and it is for a very minimal cost, so that you can begin your optimization journey right away. And lastly, I also have my WhatsApp channel. Now, if you found value in this video, I make more such video and contents over various platforms like my podcast, Instagram, and all of these content updates are put on my WhatsApp channel. You can go to omkartilve.com/connect and follow me on my WhatsApp channel and stay updated on various strategies to optimize your business. Now we have come to the end of this video, and if you're still watching at this moment, I know that you're very much intrigued by the concept of building a conscious business culture for your business. If you like this concept, start implementing this today. And also I'll make more content on videos on various different angles of building a conscious business culture. So thank you for watching this video. This is Omka signing off. Bye bye.